So you might be in a random situation where for some reason, do not disturb mode on your iPhone is just not going away. Like it randomly just goes on and it just won't randomly just go off. Now the main reason for this is sometimes because your particular device, it might be on do not disturb mode already and you might have to turn it off of it. So swipe down from your top right corner, so just go through, just swipe down, and you want to come right into this panel. From here, you'll be able to see this little do not disturb panel right over here if you have it enabled. Just go through, tap on do not disturb mode, and it will just go off. As long as that says focus or something like that, you should be good. But if you tap on it, it will turn on do not disturb. You probably don't want to do that, right? So go and turn that off. Now, your device might be linked up with another device that is randomly turning on do not disturb mode from here. If you have it on like an Apple Watch, if you have it on like a MacBook or something, if you have do not disturb mode on that device, then it might not work properly on your phone, like it'll randomly just turn on. So make sure it's not linked up to a different device. If it is, then make sure that other device isn't randomly turning on low power mode either, because that can easily be like another problem that you might run into there as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to just try restarting your phone. So hold the volume up and the power button at the same time. Just go through, slide power off, power off your phone. And then you want to go through and just see if you can go through and, see if that ends up fixing it, which, like I said, for a lot of people, that will probably end up fixing it. And those are kind of the main ways to go into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.